As the capabilities of AI improve, organizations are increasingly using algorithms in the hope that algorithmic human resource management, or HRM, will improve organizational decisions by predicting employee behavior. But what happens when algorithmic HRM ends up influencing the core variables it's supposed to predict? An algorithm is a computational formula that automatically makes decisions based on statistical predictive models or decision rules without explicit human intervention. As such, HRM algorithms seek to predict employee behavior. For example, an HRM department might use an algorithm to predict employee absenteeism, but hope to not influence actual absenteeism by using the algorithm. By conducting a mixed method study where participants were asked to create algorithms, researchers found that algorithmic HRM incentivized people to behave contrary to their own preferences, even increasing their own workplace discomfort. In the study, researchers told participants that they'd be HRM managers in a hospital and would be designing an algorithm for personnel evaluation using a new machine learning algorithm that identified criteria predicting the success of a surgery. Researchers then observed how participants behaved when they were evaluated by those same algorithms. The participants were asked to provide advice to a surgeon regarding which patients should receive surgeries based on how they, the participants, valued the AI criteria. But because the algorithm was also evaluating the participants' performance, some participants changed their behavior to get better evaluations, or even changed which patients received potentially life-saving surgeries despite morally based misgivings. Qualitative data revealed that a user-generated algorithm can change decision-making processes, as well as the effectiveness of the algorithm itself, if the users being evaluated by the algorithm know what the algorithm is evaluating. Algorithms can create different implications if used for decision-making purposes versus when they are used simply to analyze or interpret data, a phenomenon called Strathern's paradox. The people using the algorithm behaved differently when they felt that they were being observed and evaluated, often violating their own morally grounded preferences. Wonder what happens to worker behavior when participants know they're being evaluated by algorithmic HRM? If so, you may want to read this paper.